Hello friends, down here, welcome. In today's video I want to try this Gemma 4 from Google, and I'm going to try this with the Laravel project. I have prepared a Laravel project which is right here, is a Laravel 13 with the Livewire starter kit, and I'm going to see how good is this Gemma 4 with coding, especially with Laravel. I have download, and here I am inside this Gemma 4 project, and yeah, I have downloaded Olama and also this Gemma 4. Now I'm going to open the Cloud Code, because if you want, yeah, you can use the Cloud Code codex, open code, also open cloud. And yeah, to use Cloud Code we can use Olama launch cloud and choose a model, or just like this, because I have the Gemma 4 installed, and this we can choose here. Okay, so on the list here we have also more, which is Gemma 4, and I have a 4 billion. So let's choose this. I'm going to use this and all future MCP servers in this project. And now what I want to do is, yeah, you can see also here Gemma 4 is just to create a CRUD with Laravel 13 and using Livewire single file component. It's just a simple project. So let's say create, let's say, a post CRUD using Livewire for single file component, and I want to be sure to use the page components. Okay, use page components for index, create and edit, pause. Okay, I'm going to hit enter. Okay friends, so here we are back. Now this is completed, but it's not completed. I'm not impressed with this one. So to summarize, here is the implementation plan summary. Model migration requests done, controller done, Livewire components UI done, and testing test files are in place. Manual execution is required to confirm passes. And as you can see, here is the implement postcard using Livewire for page components. First, set up initial post model migration and form requests, then implement post backend logic controller service. I said I want to use the Livewire for single file components. Anyway, build post Livewire page components, index, create, edit, and then write and run best test for post CRUD. But here is said the testing manual execution is required to confirm passes. And if we open this project, first in the web PHP we don't have any route for the post CRUD. Next, if you go up here, models, we have the post model, we have fillable, title, body, slug, then we have a belong the relationship to the user, but we don't have a user ID. Then if we see database migrations post, assuming a user ID relationship exists, where exists that here needs to exist. Okay. Next, you can go up here and see on Livewire we have just actions. Then we have HTTP controller, we have post controller, which is a CRUD controller, resource controller, but is empty. Just the methods: index, store, show, update, destroy. Okay, next in the Livewire we have post, and we have a create post class. Okay, validate only updated, passing the fields, edit post, rules, mount post is not imported here, is imported this update post request, which is not used. Okay, I'm going to go back and I will copy here the prompt, and I'm going to exit from here, and I'm going to open the Cloud Code. Okay, I have a subscription, I'm going to paste it right here. And then I'm going to hit enter. Now the Cloud Code is going to see we have post migration and models, and it's going to see what needs to be changed. Okay friends, we are back with Cloud Code to say all done and files created and modified. You can see has created inside the resources, views, pages, posts, the index blade, SFC page, list posts, and inline delete. Also create the create form with validation, edit form, pre-populated via mount method, factory with title, body, and auto slug. And also in the web routes has added 3 routes, so route Livewire routes under auto verified. Added also on the sidebar the post nav item and 12 past tests covering all CRUD actions. Okay, so we have routes slash post, post index, create, and so on. Let's see. On the web, we can see we have the route Livewire posts, pages, post index, and named post index, also Livewire post create and post edit. Let's open this post index. We have the method to delete, and the render is going to add post lattice paginate by 10. Okay, and here we have the table and so on. Okay, let's see the edit. Post is imported, yes. String title, body, validate required string, validate string, and max 255. Then on the mount this post, able with post and post title and body to say post title, post body. We have a save, validated first using this validate, post update title, body, and the slug, and saying validated title, body, and then added a slug saying str slug validated, passing the title. Okay, so it's going to create also the slug, and then redirect to the route post index, navigate through. Here we have form. The create is going to be the same, create a post, validate required and required string, so the same, save, validate, create title, body, slug, and redirect back. I think let's see now also the database migrations, and we have title, body, and the slug. Yeah, the same, no changes here on the post. Yeah, and we have here belonger, the relationship, which we don't need because we don't have a relationship with the model, with the user model. Okay, here. But anyway, I think Cloud has just see we have posts with title and the body and the slug and use them. Anyway, let's see on the browser. If we refresh, let's go and register with the fake filler. Go to posts. And maybe let's come here. I'm going to open this in new tab. And I'm going to run the composer run dev. Okay, so this is not working, the design. I'm going to ask Cloud Code to fix this. The post index page needs to fix the design and also remove the relationship method from post for the user. So the post index needs to fix the design and also remove the relationship method from posts for the user. Okay, let me check the dashboard and settings page to match the design pattern. Profile is going to check the profile. Okay, so you can see all taskbars here. So post model remove the user relationship. Okay, and index page design fix. So remove the flux main, replace the raw heading with also added and improve MV state, and tighten column with W-N/3, and also match the rounded Excel border. And we can see here is changed. Okay, we can go to new post. Let's see if I just say create post, we have a validation. Let's work the fake filler, add, and here we have, we can delete, also we can edit by saying just ... update the post, and we have ... here. Cloud Code is very good, so if I click here, cancel, And if I click again, okay, it's deleted. And also if I just show you, if we go to post, yeah, the relationship method has been removed. Okay friends, that's it all about this video, what I wanted to show you. Using Cloud Code with a Gemma for local model, but yeah, I'm not very impressed with that. Maybe we need more a large model, because if we see here, I have the 4 billion, but we have also 31 billion. And maybe the 31 billion is a little bit compared to Cloud Code. But as you can see, they are well suited for reasoning, agentic workflows, and coding, but with Laravel at least, Gemma 4 was not very good. I have this 4 billion, which is 9 gigabytes, but yeah, was not what I expected. Okay friends, so that's it all about this video, and if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you want another local model to compare both local models, so for example Gemma and Quen. See you in the next one, all the best.